Bro, bro, this is too emotional, bro. Like, hi, you found me. Thanks for clicking. I'm official Keem Reacts. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So it's been a while since I've reacted to any work done by Miss VANNY VABIOLA, and I'm longing for some Miss VANNY VABIOLA. She's been running through my mind since the start of this new year. And speaking of New Year, Happy New Year to each and every Indonesian who've clicked this video. Whether you are in Indonesia or somewhere about in the world, Happy New Year. Alright, may this best wishes of 2026 be granted upon you hereafter and beyond. Okay, my people, so I'll be reacting to I Love You to Want Me Lobo cover by VANNY VABIOLA. This was like 3 months ago. Damn, bro. She's been working, bro. My apologies for my late entrance. My apologies for my late reactions. You know, I've been really busy through these times, so it's never too late to check out one of the most angelic voices in the world right now. Okay, my people, so as Jamaican, with that being said, let's see what's up. Let's see what's going on.
When I saw you standing there, the thought fell off my chair. Then you moved your mouth to speak. Felt the blood go to my feet. Now it's the time for me to know.
This is what I've been longing for, bro. Her angelic voice. I am loving her voice, bro. Like such greatness she sings with in her voice. Let's continue.
What you trying so not to show? Something in my soul just cry. See the one in your blue eyes, baby. I love you to want me, the way that I want you, the way that it should be.
Yo, this song was done amazingly, but VANNY VABIOLA had her most beautiful voice on it, bro. It is fire. It is goddamn fire. Whoa. Hey, you know, this is one of my favorite songs, but to hear VANNY VABIOLA on it, bro, it is goddamn beautiful, bro. Amazingly beautiful, bro. Like, I can't comprehend how astonishing she sounds on this track, bro. Singing this track as well, bro. Wow. Absolutely terrific. Damn, bro. Like, I don't know what to say, bro. She's just this person who gives you music and it leads you to dreamland, bro. You just can't get enough of it, bro.
Baby, you'd love me to want you, the way that I want to, if you'd only let me be. You taught yourself years ago you'd never let your feelings show.
Yo, absolutely perfect voice. This is absolutely beautiful, bro. The message of the song is already plain and straight, but she had her flair to it, so it becomes even more perfectly done. God damn, bro. God damn, yo. Come on, man. She's just too gorgeous, bro. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Bro, I'm loving this woman so much, bro. Trust me, I'm loving her. I'm loving her, bro. I'm loving her.
The obligation that you made for the title they take it. Baby, I love you to want me the way that I want you, the way that it should be.
Yo, bro. Hey. One of the greatest voices on earth. Bro, their voice just heal people's heart, bro. No way, guys. No way. No way her voice just do that, bro. No way her voice just do that. I just can't get enough, dog. I just can't get enough. Let's continue.
Baby, you love me to want you the way that I want to. If you'd only let it be. Now it took time for me to know.
You know, I think I've been reading up on this song, right? I think it was a classic back in the 70s. VANNY VABIOLA did something unthinkable. She did a cover on this song and remixed this song into her own voice to make it become so fucking amazing, bro. Absolutely amazing. You know, the more you listen to her, the more addictive her voice get. Her voice is like, you know, an addiction to something you really like. And you just can't get enough. The more you take, the more you want. Her voice is like that, bro. It's addictive, bro. You just can't sit and not getting her voice and not wanting more. You have to keep on wanting more. It doesn't matter what song she did a cover on. She's just always dominating, bro. Like, bro, come on, bro. Come on, Miss Vanny. I am a Jamaican and I'm loving you so much. Your voice is sweet and enchanting, bro. What a beauty. I would love to have her at my wedding singing, bro. That would make my day even more. That would make my wedding even more ravishing. I gotta say.
What you trying so not to show? Something in my soul just cries. See the one in your blue eyes. Baby, I love you to want me the way that I want you, the way that it should be. Baby, you'd love me to want you the way that I want.
Bro, this is too emotional, bro. Like her voice is so beautiful, bro. Oh wow. Bro, bro, at this point, bro, I'm getting so much chills. Yeah, bro, she brought so much tears to my eyes, bro. Guys, I'm sorry, but such an enchantment, bro. Such an enchantment. Wow, this is so beautiful, bro. Very gorgeous.
If you'd only let it be. Baby, I'd love you to want me the way that I want you, the way that it should be. Baby, you'd love me to want you the way that I want to. If you'd only let it be.
Baby, you know that I want you. If you only let it be. Bro, not just the message of the song, but the way how she sing this message, bro, it's hitting differently, bro. It's hitting to the core, bro. You know, I've known her from 2 years ago. The first song I've encountered about her was a Celine Dion song, right? And when I've reacted to her, bro, my entire body will like get so much chills from that moment. And she never drops the ball, bro. She's always that person, bro. She's always this continuation, bro. She's always doing greatly. Wow, bewitching, bro. Bewitching. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. Her voice is so magnificent. It's like she's a Celine Dion in Indonesia. Because when she did that Celine Dion cover, bro, everything just come back so clearly of what she did. She's too gorgeous, bro. Like sweet and terrific artist, you know. She's that beautiful, bro. She's beautiful while singing. She was beautiful outward and inwardly, bro. She's just awesome. She's a whole complete. She's a wholesome package. I ain't gonna lie. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him her about me, the Jamaican reactor. I'll see you all around.